Linux installation of Tina on openSUSE. Tina runs on Linux with the help of the Wine Windows software emulation layer. You can install it with the easy-to-use Yast Software Manager on SUSE Linux. Let's get started. How to install Wine on SUSE Linux? To run Tina on Linux, Wine is required. Wine version 9 or later is recommended. Here's how to install it. Launch the Yast Software Package Manager. Search for Wine. Check the Wine package for installation. Click Accept to begin the installation process. After installation, verify it was successful in your terminal. Launch Wine config to set your optimal font size. How to install Tina version 15 on SUSE Linux 15.6. Download the setup zip file. Execute the setup program and allow it to download all necessary components. Tina is automatically downloaded and installed. Proceed with the installation steps as prompted. AI add-on is automatically downloaded and installed. DC-DC converters add-on is automatically downloaded and installed. Now Tina full setup is complete. Add a Tina icon to the desktop. Start Tina using the icon. Let's see how Tina version 15 operates on SUSE Linux 15.6 through some practical examples. Transient analysis. Open the following example from the Tina examples folder. Run transient analysis by selecting it from the analysis menu. PCB Designer and Interactive Simulation. Open the digiloc.tsc from the PCB folder of Tina examples. Click the PCB design icon. Start the 3D viewer by clicking its icon. In the schematic editor of Tina, press the DC button, then observe in the 3D viewer how the light activates with that specific switch combination. Using Tina's AI assistant. Open Tina's AI assistant and enter the following question: what is this circuit? The AI assistant will provide some key information about this circuit. For more detailed instructions on running Tina on Linux, please refer to our document, Tina Installation Guide for Linux.
For more information, visit our website at tina.com. Visit our YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/Tina Design Suite.